Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about AFO examination strategy. In this video we will discuss about the strategy of pre-examination and strategy of mains examination. We will also cover the cutoff of previous examination and topic wise marking of previous examination. Let's start. Those who are watching this video, don't forget to leave your comment. Your comments are very important for us. Let us start with the AFO prelims examination strategy. Before starting the preparation, candidate must carefully go through the examination structure in detail and plan the strategic study plan accordingly. Aspirant should go through the type of the question and the level along with the knowledge of number of the questions that come from each topic in the examination. Remember, you do not need to attempt each question and every question. IBPS AFO prelims is just qualifying in nature. Hence, try to solve enough questions accurately and clear the sectional and overall cutoff. So keep your preparation accordingly. Try to attempt quiz on the daily basis on the various applications such as Bankers Adda, GradeUp, etc. You can attempt the mock test for score better in the examination. Now come to the subject English language. For preparation of the English, you should read the daily newspaper like the Hindu or the Express, at least one editorial daily. Write vocabulary and revise it properly. Make schedule at least 10 words daily. Grammar. Take a small note of each topic which is important for the examination and it will help in the last minute revision. Let's come to the important topics of the English. First topic is subject verb agreement. Second one is conjunction. Third one is preposition. Fourth one is article. And fifth one is tense. Solve maximum question and find your weak area. Most important is work on your weak area of the English. Topics in the English from which questions come. First one is reading comprehension. Second one is cloze test. Third one is error deduction, para jumble, word swap, fill in the blanks, match the column, sentence correction is the important topics of English. Now come to the AFO prelims examination strategy. In this section we will know about the important topics of pre-examination and their marking of 2018-19. Now come to the subject reasoning. In this topic seating arrangement and puzzle, 2018 number of the question was 20 and in 2019 it was 20, so it is important. Second topic is inequality. Total number of the question in 2018 is 5 and in 2019 is 6. Syllogism, total number of question in 2018 is 4 and in 2019 is 5. From machine input and output, 2018 there was no question and in 2019 there was 5 question. From blood relation in 2018 there is 4 question and in 2019 there is 5 question. In direct sense, total number of question in 2018 is 2 and 2019 is 4. In logical reasoning, total number of question is 2018 is 5 and in 2019 is 3. From coding decoding, total number of the question in 2018 is 5 and in 2019 there was no question. In alphabet type of question, total number of question is 3 in 2018 and in 2019 there was 1. And total question in 2018 from reasoning was 50 and total question from reasoning in 2019 was also 50. Now come to the subject English. In this subject topic reading comprehension, total number of the question in 2018 is 12 and in 2019 is 20. From topic cloze test in 2018 5, 2019 also 5. In error reduction 2018 5 and 2019 is also 5. From topic para jumble 2018 is 5 and 2019 is also 5. From topic word swap, total number of question in 2018 is 5 and 2019 is also 5. From fill in the blank, 2018 total number of the question is 5 and in 2019 there is no question. Match the column, total number of question in 2018 is 5 and in 2019 is also 5. Sentence correction, total number of the question in 2018 is 5 and in 2019 also 5. Total questions in English in 2018 is 50 and 2019 is also 50. Now come to the subject quantitative aptitude. Topic data interpretation, total number of the question in 2018 is 15 and in 2019 is 20, so it is very important. Second is quadratic equation. Total number of the question in 2018 is 5 and in 2019 is also 5. Number series in 2018 5 and in 2019 is also 5. Data sufficiency, total number of questions in 2018 is 5 and in 2019 is also 5. Quantitative comparison in 2018, total number of questions is 5 and in 2019 is also 5. Arithmetic word based problem, total number of questions in 2018 is 15 and 2019 is 10. Total questions from quadratic aptitude in 2018 is 50 and in 2019 is also 50. Now come to the AFO previous year cutoff. In this section we will know about the cutoff of different category in the year 2017, 18 and 19 for pre, mains and interview. Let's start. Start with the cutoff of general and EWS category. Name of the test is English language. Maximum marks is 25. In 2017-18 cutoff is 1.75 only, and in 2018-19 cutoff increase up to 4.75 marks, and in 2019-20 cutoff goes to 5.50 marks. And in subject reasoning total marks is 50, and in 2017-18 total cutoff is 11 marks. In 2018-19 cutoff is 10 marks, and in 2019-20 cutoff is 10.50 marks. And in quantitative aptitude total marks is 50, and in 2017-18 the cutoff is 8.75, and in 2018-19 cutoff is 7 marks, and in 2019-20 cutoff is 8.50 marks. Total marks is 125, and the cutoff of overall cutoff of 2017-18 is 28.63. Overall cutoff of 2018-19 is 22.25, and overall cutoff of 2019-20 is 36.25 marks. Now come to the cutoff of OBC category. Name of the test is English language. Maximum marks is 25, and in 2017-18 the cutoff is only 1 mark. In 2018-19 for English the cutoff is only 2 marks. In 2019-20 cutoff for English is only 3.25 marks. And in subject reasoning maximum marks is 50. In 2017-18 cutoff is 7.25 marks. In 2018-19 cutoff is 5.75 marks, and in 2019-20 cutoff is 7 marks. In quantitative aptitude total marks is 50. In 2017-18 cutoff is 4.25 marks. In 2018-19 cutoff is 3.50 marks, and in 2019-20 the cutoff is 5.25 marks. Total marks is 125, and in overall cutoff in 2017-18 is 28.63 for OBC category. In 2018-19 the cutoff goes to 22.25 marks, and in 2019-20 the cutoff goes to 36.25 marks. Now come to the cutoff of SC/ST category. Name of the test is English. Maximum mark is 25. In 2017-18 cutoff is 1 mark. In 2018-19 cutoff is 2 marks, and in 2019-20 cutoff is 3.25 marks. In reasoning maximum mark is 50. In 2017-18 for SC/ST category cutoff is 7.25 marks. In 2018-19 5.75 marks, and in 2019-20 the cutoff is 7 marks. In quantitative aptitude maximum marks is 50. In 2017-18 the cutoff is 4.50 marks. In 2018-19 3.50 marks, and in 2019-20 the cutoff is 5.25 marks. Total marks is 125. In 2017-18 overall cutoff is 28.63. In 2018-19 overall cutoff is 22.25. In 2019-20 overall cutoff for SC category is 36.13, and for ST category is 34 marks. Now come to the mains examination cutoff for shortlisting for interview out of 60 marks. Category SC in 2017-18 cutoff was 18.75. In 2018-19 the cutoff was 20.75. In 2019-20 the cutoff was 28.50. For ST category in 2017-18 the cutoff was 16 marks. In 2018-19 the cutoff was 20 marks, and in 2019-20 the cutoff was 26.50 marks. For OBC category in 2017-18 the cutoff was 20.75 marks. In 2018-19 the cutoff was 22 marks, and in 2019-20 the cutoff was 30.75 marks. For general category in 2017-18 the cutoff was 20.75. In 2018-19 the cutoff was 22 marks, and in 2019-20 the cutoff was 30.75. Now come to the final cutoff, combined score in mains examination and interview out of 100. For SC category in 2017-18 the final cutoff was 41.07. In 2018-19 for SC category final cutoff was 43.67. For ST category in 2017-18 final cutoff was 38.33. In 2018-19 the final cutoff for ST category is 41.60. For OBC category in 2017-18 the final cutoff was 46 marks, and in 2018-19 the final cutoff was 48.47 marks. In general 2017-18 the final cutoff was 46.27. In 2018-19 the final cutoff was 48.67 marks. For the preparation of mains, important topics are agriculture current affair, agriculture schemes, general agriculture section, and all the basic knowledge about the different subjects like agronomy, horticulture, genetics, plant protection, entomology, farm management and extension. For all these, AgriLearner app and AgriLearner WhatsApp group and your self-dedication is enough for your preparation. Best of luck, and don't forget to leave your comment and suggest us for next video.